principal broker at Island Dragonfly. If you think you know the Hawaii rental market, but you haven't read the 2026 updates, my friend, you aren't investing, you're gambling. You're gambling, and the house, or should I say the state, always wins. Today we are looking into the new laws, the tax hikes, and the phase-out panic that is hitting 2026. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk money. Specifically, the money leaving your pocket. As of January 1st, 2026, the state Transient Accommodations Tax, or T8, just jumped up. We went from 10.25% to 11%. That doesn't sound like much. Add in the county surcharges, add in the GET, and suddenly your guests are paying nearly 18% on top of their nightly rate. That is a green fee with a punch. If your margins were thin in 2025, they are anorexic in 2026. You need to audit your listings now. Make sure you are passing this cost on correctly, because the Department of Taxation, they have no aloha for math errors. Next, the big one, the Maui meltdown. If you own a condo on Maui, especially on the Minatoya list, listen to me very carefully. Bill 9 is real. It has passed and the countdown has started. For those in West Maui, your deadline to cease short-term rentals in apartment zones is January 1st, 2029. For the rest of Maui, you likely have until 2031. I know. Jason, that's years away. In real estate time, that is tomorrow morning. Property values in these zones are going to fluctuate wildly as investors try to exit and residents try to buy. If you are holding, you need a long-term strategy, literally. Long-term, like 6-month leases or more. Now, let's hop over to Oahu, where we love a good court battle. Here is the tea on Oahu. If you are a new investor buying a residential property today and you don't have a special certificate, your minimum rental period is 90 days, not 30, 90. The city is cracking down on the fake 30-day rentals. You know the ones, where the tenant signs for 30 days but stays for 3. Yeah, they know about that. Don't do it. The fines are up to $10,000 a day. That will eat your cash flow faster than a termite in a wood frame house. However, if you were operating legally before October 2022, the courts have given you a temporary shield, but temporary is the key word. So, what is the verdict for 2026? The gold rush days of buying any condo and throwing it on Airbnb are over. But opportunity is still here. You just have to be smarter. You have to buy in the resort zones. You have to know the zoning code better than your own birthday. And you need a broker who isn't just trying to sell you a dream, but is trying to protect your assets. That is where I come in. I'm Jason Wong. Let's navigate these choppy waters together and keep your investment above water. See you in the next round, my friend.